Hey, welcome back to our channel Ship and Cruise Life. In this video, I will show you how I pack my luggage before joining a ship, and I will tell you some necessary items also if you are going to join a vessel first time. First, don't forget to carry your passport, CDC, yellow fever vaccination certificate, and 5 original basic STCW courses certificate. And this is my full medical, this is my pre-medical, and this is my COVID-19 vaccination international travel certificate with your passport number. If you don't know how to download, I'll put the video link in the description. And inside this file, I have my contract paper, OK to board letter plus flight detail, port agent letter, and immigrant letter sent by DG e-governance, plus my personal documents. And let me show you some more stuff that I carry with me. I will show you one by one. First, toothbrush, tongue cleaner, Shatnik hair shampoo, room freshener, body lotion, powder. This one is antifungal and antibacterial powder for my feet, Dettol liquid, Parachute hair oil, body deodorant, perfume, face wash, walnut scrub, conditioner, body wash shampoo, charcoal peel off mask, Gillette foam shaving cream and Gillette shaving gel, Surf Excel washing bar, Iodex, Jhandu balm, Vaseline, air freshener for bathroom, and toothpaste, cotton buds for air, Dettol liquid hand wash, shaving razor, Gillette shaving razor blades, comb, 2-in-1 comb, nail cutter, don't forget to this one, scissor, mask, sanitizer, universal adapter. If you are going to join a vessel in a European countries, don't forget to bring this kind of adapter, face cream, shaving trimmer for hair, soap, and washing powder, detergent for personal laundry. Next, I will carry 1 pair of formal shoes, 1 pair of slippers, 2 pair of regular shoes, and don't forget to carry 15-20 pairs of socks. I'll carry 1 hood, 1 jacket, 1 towel. Towel you will get there, but I will use my personal. And 2-3 jeans, shorts, and 2-3 trouser, supporter for gym, and 8-10 underwears, 5-6 t-shirts, and 1 formal shirt, 1 cap. Clothes are as much as you want. You can take them according to your need. And this is my personal stuff which I am going to carry. 1 thermal flask for hot water, 2-3 books, 1 diary, and 1 notebook with 2 pens, and 2-3 lighters if you are a smoker, Dr. Ortho oil, 1, and this is a cream, and rose water, eye drop, 1 small lock, 2-3 pen drive, 1 OTG, mobile charger, 1 speaker, paracetamol tablets and vitamin C tablet, headphone, antibacterial wipe, hair removal cream, laptop charger, and this one is glass cleaner for, this is blue cut glass. I use it when I'm in front of screen, and glasses, wristwatch, sunglasses, and this one I will use for hair massage, and coffee sachet, chaat masala, Maggi magic masala, homemade cookies, chonpras, and some food stuff. I'll bring more like Maggi, cookies, biscuit. Alright, that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.